In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a product inside of Odoo. It is super easy to do, so the first thing you need to do is open up Odoo like you usually would. Then from here you need to go into the invoicing tab over here. Then from here you need to go up to customer and down to products. Then you will see your entire list of new products that you have created in the previously. And to create a new one, you simply need to click new up here. Then from here, you'll add in the product name. As you can see, as example, it will say cheeseburger. We can put test. You can also add a picture over here if you want to do that. Then from here, you can add whether or not it's sale or purchase. Then you need to select the product type, either goods, service, or a combination of the two. The test here is a good. Then down here you can add invoice policy that you can either change from ordered quantities or delivered quantities. Over here you can also add sales price, where you can change the manual price over here. You can add a sales tax and AVAX category, where you can choose any of these versions over here. You can add the cost of the specific product. You can add a category, a reference, and a barcode for the specific product. If you take purchase also, you will see over here that you also get the reference over here. Down here you can also add internal notes, where you can write in whatever you really want to write in your notes. Over here you can also see the sales, where you can put in the optional product, where you can choose recommending for what other product that can be inside of the invoice when you choose test. Over here will be the same as quotation description, where you can write in your quotation description and you connect tags over here. Then from here you're basically done, and you can go over to customer and products again and see that test has been added into your product list. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!